Yo, what's up, crafties? So, this is your boy, Mikey Craft, signing in for another new episode ng ating Minecraft series. So, in our first episode, isa lang ang aso natin, di ba? Pero you're maybe wondering bakit dalawa and tatlo na yung aso natin na nagagala-gala sila dito sa bahay. And you're maybe wondering, bakit nagkaroon tayo ng kabayo? Nasaan na yung kabayo? Ito yung kabayo. So you may be wondering, how did I get this pets? Sa tawag dito. Nung first episode is aso lang yung pinakita ko, 'di ba? Na meron tayong pets. And bakit nagkaroon tayo ng ganitong ng panibagong seed? Nag-spawn yung dog. At nagkaroon tayo ng pumpkin dito. Well, ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo. Ngayon mismo. And ayun, sa ako na ipapakita sa inyo yung mga bagong equipments natin. First things first, ipapaliwanag ko muna bakit tayo nagkaroon ng tatlong aso at nagkaroon tayo ng kabayo na hindi natin masakyan. Oo na, bababa na. Kingina mo eh. So ayun, ito yung nangyari kung paano tayo nagkaroon ng tatlong aso at nagkaroon tayo ng kabayo. So, yun. Panoorin natin. Yo, what's up, crafties? So, as I promised, sabi ko sa last episode is mag-adventure tayo sa cave na in-explore ko nung mga time na recovering pa lang ang ating Minecraft series at ang ating world. So, dadaling ko kayo doon ngayon. So, let's go! So, syempre, bago tayo mag-adventure, di natin pwede makalimutan na mag-set ng armor. So, I decided to wear my diamond armor kasi mas mababa ang chances na mapuruan agad tayo ng mobs, especially creepers. Of course, I set up my weapons and I brought my enchanted diamond sword, my diamond pickaxe, and of course, shield to defend myself from the annoying mob creeper. And also, my bow and arrow para pag naka-encounter tayo ng skeleton. Kailangan ko din magbaon ng kahit kalahating iron ingots sa inventory ko just in case na masiraan tayo ng shield o kahit anuman sa mga weapons ko. And nagbaon na rin ako ng food para ma-relieve yung health bar natin. So after the preparation, kailangan ko muna pakainin sa Harlitot at iwanan siya ng pagkain niya para hindi siya magutom. Here we go. Baba na tayo. So, medyo steep lang yung entrance ng cave na to kasi I don't really bother myself to make it so fancy. Like, hindi ko iniisip na masisira din naman. Okay, our first encounter sa skeleton. Ang kagandahan dito sa na-upgrade ko sa diamond sword ko is 3 hits tapos agad yung kalaban, which is it gives me a great advantage para makalaban sa mga ibang mobs. Okay, let's get these 2 blocks of lapis para makapag-upgrade pa tayo ng weapons na gagamitin natin in the future. You guys may be wondering, how did I light up this huge cave? Well, it took me a few hours killing the mobs before lighting up the whole area of the cave. As I go further to the deepest cave, I found an area full of amethyst. There are so many ways to fight the creeper, ways that whether letting the creeper explode or not. My strategy here when it comes to facing the creeper is most of the time I'm letting the creeper blow, especially pag outnumbered na ako. But sometimes, hinahayaan ko lang din sumabog yung creeper pag trip-trip lang. Before I explore the first phase of the mineshaft, I just saw this skeleton holding a glowing bow, so I decided to check it out. After killing the skeleton, I was so disappointed kasi after killing the skeleton, it didn't drop anything. So after wasting my time killing the skeleton that didn't drop anything shit, I decided to continue my journey to the mineshaft. The part that I hate here about taking an adventure to the mineshaft is encountering these venomous spiders. It's just that they are not just venomous, but sometimes they are really hard to kill, lalo na kung madami silang aatake sa'yo. After wandering around, to my surprise, I found 2 blocks of diamond. But syempre, there are mobs, so I have to clear the path first. This zombie just dropped a carrot after killing it. Minutes later, I found a mine chest that has 17 torches, 4 ingots, 1 golden apple, 7 pieces of rails, and 2 beans. After that, I also found a zombie spawner near at the mine chest and cleared the path. It does even have a baby zombie that annoys the players like me the most. After killing the zombies and clearing the path, I opened the chest and found a 1 strings, 4 bones, 1 house armor, and 1 bucket, while the other chest has 13 bones, 7 powder, 1 music disc, 1 bread, 1 ingot, and 2 coals. Oh, what? I just came back to the place I came from. So after the exploration, I had to go back and I found the mine chest na nalagpasan ko. Kinuha ko dito yung nakita kong name tag para magawa ko na ng name tag yung collar ni Harley Tot. So after wandering to the cave, I realized that nag-exit ako sa ibang lagusan. Pero that's fine, at least nakalabas. So after exiting the cave, I head back to my home para maisama ko na sa iba ko pang collection yung mga naloots ko back in the cave. And binalikan ko din si Harley Tot na hindi pa pala kinakain yung food na iniwan ko sa kanya. Gusto pala sinusubuan pa. So after nun, ginawa ko na ng name tag si Harley at nilagay na to sa collar niya. Nagtry ako na i-update yung diamond sword ko but I forgot that it's already enchantment. So, ang in-upgrade ko na lang yung iron sword ko. At this point, medyo nag-aalanganin ako kasi nakita ko yung strength bar nung iron sword ko ay kalahati na. So, naisip ko na gumawa na lang ng bago at yun na lang ang i-upgrade para sure. The next day, I was kinda feel sad for Harley kasi ala siya kasama. So I decided to get him a friend So I get my rope and head my way to another island that has wolves. After getting a wolf, I take the wolf to my boat and head back to the house. After getting Harley a friend, it wasn't enough for me. So bumalik ako doon and get another friend for Harley and her friend. So after getting Harley a friend, I head back to that island again, but this time to hunt food. Kasi napansin ko, madami-dami ding cows, pigs, and sheep doon. In fact, para hindi din ako maubusan ng stock ng food. After planting the seeds, naisipan ko, what if kumuha ko ng kabayo para may alaga tayo since meron akong isang golden horse armor. So, I came to the island malapit sa cave na na-discover ko and I found a black horse. But there is one tiny problem. This horse is not really cooperating at all. I'm having a trouble to bring this horse back to my house. After having a struggle to get this horse, I finally managed to get this horse in my headquarters. Inabot na ako ng gabi, yawit. So after all of those adventures, that is how I turned my one dog into three. And how did I get my horse and my other items that I don't have it before. And that is how kung paano tayo nagkaroon ng tatlong aso at nagkaroon tayo ng kabayo. Grabe, inabot tayo ng gabi. Kakaano ko sa'yo, no? Pinahirapan mo ako, hayop ka. Pero ayun nga, the reason why kung ba't naman tayo nagkaroon ng ganito is nag-upgrade tayo. I was playing this world without streaming it. Kasi hindi naman lahat i-stream ko, diba? Then, may mga bago tayong napulot. Meron din tayo Rabbit Hide dahil nag-adventure tayo doon. Dadaling ko kayo doon next video. And smithing template. Itong smithing template, gagamitin natin to dito. Yan, kasi kailangan ng smithing template para ma-upgrade yung ating armor. So, saan na tayo mag-upgrade ng armor pagka pupunta na tayo ng Nether. And, of course, meron din tayo nakitang isa pang Nether portal na hindi buo around doon sa isa pang island doon na nakita ko. So, next episode na natin ipupuntahan yan, no? So, hanggang sa eto na muna. So, yun lang. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung kung paano tayo nagkaroon ng 3 aso at nagkaroon tayo ng kabayo na buwisit. So, yun. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And see you in the next episode. So, this is your boy, Mikey Craft, signing off. Peace!